This is my pressure washer. You can see me using the soap attachment so I can wash my car and get it nice and soapy. You can see how you can kind of adjust the nozzle to get the spray that you want. Works really well. I decided to clean out the cracks in my driveway. Instantly regretted that, but let's go ahead and carry on. This power washer was sent to me for free to do this video review. I've been really happy with it, especially happy with how small and portable it is. So it comes in this box. There is a little bit of assembly required, not too much, just the handles that you have to screw in, but other than that, it's just basically connecting all the parts and getting things set up in general. It does come with a basic manual to show you how to do that and how the different functions work. But overall, you can see it is a small power washer. This makes it really easy to carry around and to tote around. It has an easy adjustment for the nozzle, so you can adjust the spray that you want. And here I decided I would clean some things outside, so I cleaned my garage door. You can see my car is in need of a wash. It is really dirty, so I am using my portable power station to power the pressure washer. Because I am outside, it does come with this soap attachment, so you just put in some dish soap, put in some water. You can see this does leak, and this is probably the only thing I don't like about this pressure washer, is that this leaks unless it's upright. Go ahead and turn it on, and once it is on, you can get the car nice and soapy. So this did work totally fine. I just don't like how it leaks. So if it knocks over, it will leak out a little bit. So that's just something to be aware of. This also comes with safety on the cord. But yeah, here you can see me using it and everything works just fine. It has plenty of pressure. It works really well. Now the soap did run out kind of quick. I had to fill up the soap one more time, so I went through about 2 bottles of soap to get my car nice and soapy. I probably could have done it with one, but my car was really dirty. Here I'm showing just how easy it is to carry around. Yes, it does have wheels, but for me it's just so much easier to carry it because the thing is so small and lightweight. It's just really nice and convenient. Cleaning my car off was nice and easy with this. It's fun to be able to wash your car in your driveway and not have to go through a car wash. I didn't have to scrub or anything like that. I just put soap on and then I rinsed the whole thing down, and it worked really well. Again, it does have a lot of pressure, so it's really nice for cracks or getting into tight areas. But yeah, just be aware you'll probably get a bit messy. And here I just want to demonstrate how powerful this actually is. So my driveway is perfectly clean, but you can see I was able to write hi in it even though the driveway was clean. Here is the end result of me washing my car. I don't have a fancy car, but it is a lot cleaner now, and again, I didn't do any scrubbing or anything like that, and it was really nice and easy to use. Overall, the things I like about this pressure washer, just how lightweight and portable it is, and it does have a lot of power. The things I don't like about it is basically that the soap dispenser leaks. That's the only thing I don't really like about it. Everything else works really, really well on this thing.